Have you ever wondered, is it worth the effort following the old school way of breaking up every food invoice into things like meat, poultry, seafood, dairy, produce? What if I told you that was a waste of your time, that you need to stop breaking it up in categories? Stay with me if you want to learn. I'm going to teach you in about 2 seconds why I believe that. Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters with therestaurantexpert.com. And dude, I gotta tell you, man, I go nuts when I hear people tell me that, oh, you've got to break up all of your food purchases when the invoice comes into meat, poultry, seafood. Oh, I need produce. I need to make sure that I've got dairy. Why? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. The old timers really grew up in the business. I'm 30 plus years in the business. I remember this being the fact. So we didn't have technology, we didn't have software. So what you looked at is if I was using and ordering more chicken than I normally did, I'd sit there and think, I got a problem with my poultry and I need to make a change. If I was using more dairy than I normally did, I'd think, I've got a problem, I need to research that, and I've got to find the problem, I got to fix it. Well, today, going through that practice, breaking up your invoices by those categories is a waste of frickin' time. It's stupid because why? We have technology. See, today, if I were to tell you that your produce purchases were higher than they were last month, is there a problem? Or, newsflash, you started selling more chicken. You put out a brand new chicken dish, you merchandise it, you put a picture on the menu, and it's flying off the shelves. So you don't have a problem in the kitchen with your poultry, you just happen to be selling more. You can't tell me where the problem is. So in order to take that out of the equation, splitting it up and getting the same effect mentally, if you will, but even more accurately, we use software. Our software, Smart Systems Pro, gives you the ability to create your recipe costing cards. So if I know I use 5-ounce chicken breasts in each one of those items, well, I've got my menu mix for my POS system. I know how many I sold, and I could say, oh, I should have used 180 pounds of chicken, right? I know that's what I should have used based on what the customers actually ordered. Well, because in the software I take inventories and I put my purchases in, I've got beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending gives me use how much money left the shelves, but hell, I can find out on the product level how many pounds of chicken left the shelves. And when it says I should have used 180 pounds of chicken, and I used 200 pounds of chicken, I highlight that and go find the problem. See, now it's not did I sell more, it's I use more than I should. I either have waste, theft, or spoilage, and now I can proactively manage my kitchen. So that old school way of breaking up your invoices is no good. What you need is software. Look, if you want to learn how our software, Smart Systems Pro, can help you with this, give us a call toll-free at 1-877-457-6278. Dial extension 106 and ask for Greg Sauerbach, our solutions coach. And he'll learn a little bit more about you and your restaurant, what you want to try and accomplish, tell you what our software does and how we can help, and you can figure out whether we're right for you or not. Look forward to hearing from you. This is David Scott Peters. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure and subscribe now to my YouTube channel. But before you go, download my free report. You'll find the link below in the description section. And be sure not to miss these other videos with expert tips to help you run your restaurant.